using some ghee. So here, ghee. These are my washed onion and garlic. So I'm going to split this in two. And that's it. I'm going to peel the first layer, peel it out. That's it. We are not going to cut this. Put it aside. As for the garlic, that's it. We're just going to leave it this way, and later we'll take the skin off from there. So a little bowl for now. And then we bring this back. And that's it for now. What are we cooking? We are cooking this Rump Cap. That's like, yeah. So we are cooking that today. Look at that fat. Oh my God. A lot of fat. And then we remove this. Look, very big. So I'm going to wash it off camera, then I'll come back. Just washed it off camera. See, clean, all the blood wash off. And now what we're going to do, we're going to slice so that we have the spices can enter through. So we don't need a dry beef. Yeah, see, and move this. So, cut this much like that. See, all cut, spread nicely. So now we're going to marinate this. Yeah, but here we don't need a barbecue gourmet barbecue wrap. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're having coriander seed. Going to put this much, and we are having parsley flakes. Going to put this much, and then we'll add water, a little bit of water, just to dissolve these spices. We are not adding salt, because the barbecue seasoning have salt. Yeah, this is it. In every cut, add your spices. So this will be so good. And then massage. In every layer, massage, open it, and massage all your spices in it. Massage thoroughly. See, all inside, everything have all the spices. See, yeah, that's it here. We don't need to do much here, but we'll add like a little sprinkle of unmixed. Yeah, and then we'll wrap this here. Okay, done. Got this. Let's pour a little bit of water. Then now, what do we need to get? We get this. Put it in here. Right there. Right there. This, that, within, shove it in, and then that's there. And then we're going to bake it, okay? So yeah. From here, I would do a voiceover. I think the TV was on. I don't want to get the copyrighted. So I think after like 1 hour and a half, I checked, but the meat wasn't yet ready. And so I checked it and I have to put it back. to bake more. That's like after 2 to 3 hours of baking, the water reduced and the meat baked to perfection. But I wanted to bake more, so after I checked it, we have some little liquid there, but actually most of it are all fat. So I just put it back to reduce the water more, to get more like a golden, that crisp color. This is after I put it back like 30 minutes later. So I just left little liquid to make a sauce, like a gravy, so that I took it. So I put it to the cooling aisle. I took it from the baking tray to the cooling aisle. That's the chopping board there. I was going to slice it by a knife, but the meat cooked to perfection that I don't need to use a knife. I can just use my hand and even use if that spatula I'm holding right there. It was so easy to even use. I don't need to use anything else or knife. The meat baked to perfection, all the spices, it was so juicy. It was just easy to rip off, it wasn't tough. As you can see, I'm just putting through that spatula, and it just easy, like there wasn't no resistance, nothing. It just baked to perfection. Oh my god, this was really good. And the taste, and it didn't smell at all. Normally lamb, when you bake the first day, it doesn't smell. It still does have a smell, but it didn't have a smell at all. Like I didn't use a lot of spices as you guys saw before, but it was really good. No smell, easy to read, perfectly baked. It's not hard, it's not like a mutton, just a perfect piece of meat. Rump Cap is so good, tender. It's not tough. So it's very good. Like I recommend this particular cut of meat is good, enough fat on it, and I just love it. I didn't use much spices. I didn't even add salt because the spices that I use has plenty of salt, but it was just juicy. So you can see I don't even need to add any gravy, but my main purpose of cooking this, I need to put gravy, because normally when I baked the beef, the next day if there's a leftover, there's a smell. So I try to make a sauce so that I'll see if I still make sauce, does it smell. So I put the garlic, as you guys saw before, and then onion. So we're going to make a sauce out of it. So that's the sauce, the garlic and the onion baked and the juice from the meat. So I'm going to blend it outside the camera. So that's after I blended. I didn't blend it like puree, roughly blend. You can see still the onion and garlic still there. And then I just pour it in my cooking fry pan and cook it for a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to pour this sauce on top of this sauce, and I add some chorizo sauce just for the because it wasn't salty enough, and a little bit of chili. I didn't want to add chili flakes. Yeah, instead I used the chorizo sauce on it. It was the sauce was amazing, incredibly good. You can use it with any other sauce. You can try this kind of sauce with any other meat. It was such an amazing sauce. It was creamy. It was just a perfect salt, and it wasn't spicy. It wasn't the chili that I added. It wasn't much. It was amazing. And then the following day, the leftover, we even ate this for more than 2 days. The smell, there was no smell whatsoever, the smell of the beef. Yeah, this dish was amazing. So after the sauce, I just arranged my meat You know, all these are ripped by hands, and that's how tender the meat was. So I put it in a bowl, just like in a soak, so I can pour the sauce on top and I'll mix it. That was an amazing gravy, and I loved it and I enjoyed it. I think I'm going to cook this over and again, but I'm not going to be filming it because I had this video. There's no point in refilming the same thing. Maybe we'll try other cut of meat. So I rent them nice in a circle. It was plenty of meat, you know. For two people, that's a lot of meat. So, and I like it. I like the sauce. I like the meat. It was just soft. I don't need to chew much. Look at that color of the sauce. Look at the color. Look how rich that sauce is. This is just onion, garlic, plus the liquid from the meat. You know, I made the sauce out of it. It was very nice, very nice. And from there, I just stir it up, try to mix all the sauce there with the meat together, and it's amazing restaurant quality dish. You know, you can pay a few dollars on these Australian dollars just for a cut of one piece, you know, medium size. You can pay, hey, 30 something for that, you know, plus other side dishes. This was amazing. I loved it. You know, even my husband loved it too. We enjoyed it. I'm thankful for this. If you watch up to this level, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. You know, that would tell me that, okay, what I need to do if there's any feedback. God bless you all. Goodbye.